Workflow at a standstill because of the Intel Graphics UMDIM64DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix this software conflict for good. While preparing the manual steps for Intel Graphics UMDIM64, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This DLL file is the 64-bit Intel Universal Mobile Driver Library. It coordinates the communication between the Windows display subsystem and Intel GPUs, ensuring stable and efficient graphics performance for 64-bit apps. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The Intel Graphics UMDIM64DLL is functionally required for Intel Graphics Driver to operate. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Intel Graphics Driver from the developer will repair any missing or broken application files found in your system. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize and unregistered the Intel Graphics UMDIM64 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. From a diagnostic standpoint, missing the Intel Graphics UMDIM64DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing the Intel Graphics UMDIM64. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and the Intel Graphics UMDIM64 error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.